A group of quantum computing experts, including scientists and company executives, want to raise ethical concerns about the technology's potential to create new materials for war and accelerate human DNA manipulation. The Supreme Court Monday asked instant messaging app WhatsApp to file response on a plea seeking a direction to the RBI and the NPCI to ensure that data collected on Unified Payments Interface platforms is not shared with their parent company or any other third party under any circumstances. Alphabet Inc.'s Google will spend $3.8 million, including $2.6 million in back pay, to settle allegations that it underpaid women and unfairly passed over women and Asians for job openings, the US Department of Labor said on Monday. Following the clash between tech giants Facebook and Apple, Facebook has now said that pop-up messages on its iPhone and iPad apps will tout benefits of targeted advertisements ahead of a privacy move by Apple that could curb tracking. A new Apple software feature referred to as Privacy Nutrition Label includes a displayed prompt telling people what tracking data is gathered by mobile apps and asking for permission to allow it. Spotify on Tuesday made a long-awaited debut in South Korea, the sixth largest music market in the world and home to the K-pop music genre. The Swedish music streaming giant is currently present in over 90 countries and has entered into several new markets in the last 2 years, including Russia, India, and the Middle East. As part of a 6-year partnership, Ford Motor will tap into software, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing offered by Alphabet's Google to develop new consumer services. Ford will offer its customers built-in Google apps, including its map and voice technology. Google Maps for Android is reportedly receiving a split-screen Street View feature. This feature, as the name suggests, offers users the ability to see the route as well as the split-screen view on the same screen. NASA has named Bhavya Lal as acting chief of staff for the agency. As the senior White House appointee at NASA, Lal served as a member of the Biden Presidential Transition Agency Review Team for the agency and oversaw the agency's transition under the Joe Biden-led administration. Itel A47 has been launched in India as a budget-friendly smartphone. Key specifications of the Itel A47 include a 5.5-inch HD plus full-screen display, a 3020 mAh battery, and dual security features. Itel is targeting the smartphone to aspirational millennials looking for a phone under 6,000 rupees.